The college experience. For many students, it's about more than just learning and preparing for a career. It's about discovering themselves. Increasingly, research is showing that more and more students are coming to college with the expectation that learning will not only prepare them for good jobs, but also help them explore their beliefs, values, and purpose for their own lives and the world around them.
Today's students, I believe, seek more than a textbook education. I think today's students seek real-life educations. And I think they are looking for an opportunity to participate in real-life skills, whether that be moral, social, economical, or political.
Yet studies show that for many of these students, today's colleges and universities are falling short of their expectations, and it is leading more schools to consider how to cultivate and support an environment of moral and civic duty.
They really must provide opportunities for students to reach out beyond just their books and classrooms and the social life on campus to help people and understand what the needs of the community are, to help those who really are in need, and to understand what the education will be that they receive, which is only an education of their mind, but the ability to then use that to further the quality of life of the people around them wherever they live.
Here, nestled in the Allegheny Mountains, 90 miles east of Pittsburgh, Mount Aloysius College has built its foundation on helping students create a lifelong commitment to values and community service for more than 150 years. Guided by the mission of the Sisters of Mercy, a small group of sisters who immigrated from Ireland and established the institution in 1853, Mount Aloysius continues today to graduate students who are not only job-ready, but community-ready as well.
Mount Aloysius is a beautiful college set here in the southern Allegheny Mountains, founded 158 years ago by 7 very hardy Sisters of Mercy who came here from Dublin, Ireland. They started a college here, a school, because no one was educating young girls at the time. And that college has grown, initially a high school, to a junior college, and now to a college that educates young men and young women for jobs that are going to exist not just now, but in the future.
Mount Aloysius College's culture of giving creates a richness of experience few schools can equal. 100% of all students participate in a wide range of community service, with many projects determined and led by the students themselves.
One of the things we strive here is to make sure that the students' total college experience includes being involved in the mission of the institution. And when we first start at orientation, we give each student a badge. And in that badge, it has the 4 key elements of the mission of this college. The mission being mercy, justice, hospitality, and service to others. It is under the tradition of the Sisters of Mercy. And that mercy tradition led us to require every student that participates in this college to be involved in community activities, community service activities. So we think it's important during the period of time in which student is here, from age 18 to 21, it's their time to now be able to explore what they want to be, what they want to do, and have the opportunity to get out into the community and do service learning.
100% of our students participate in community service while they are students here. It's written into curriculum. Every team, every club, every organization, it's written into their charters. So on the last weekend, we had 5 different sports teams doing community service projects. We had the entire community engaged in a Haiti food relief project. And that's just a big part of who we are. So I think what makes this place special is our commitment to the value of higher education and the values that people need to live a full and complete life in their communities.
I went to Jamaica for a service trip my sophomore year, and we went to Kingston, Jamaica to Alpha Boys Home. And when I first got there, it was truly heartbreaking seeing the individuals that were walking around and seeing how those people were living as compared to how we live on a day-to-day basis. And I think that the opportunities that it provided for me were just eye-opening and life-changing, because I became a new person. Whenever I came back, I was a completely new person. I grew as a person and as an individual, and in turn I was able to help my classmates and the individuals at the college grow as well.
At Mount Aloysius, a blend of associate and bachelor degree programs promote liberal arts values without compromising the delivery of job-related skills. Liberal arts courses hone critical thinking, writing, and problem solving while opening the mind to the ideas of a diverse world. Innovative programs in more than 70 emerging and high-demand fields offer career specialties in fields including business administration, criminology, nursing, education, information technology, and social sciences.
We really try to do three things here. We do the 3 R's, the basic liberal arts background. We do specialty skills, things that are going to immediately produce a job for young people, whether that's as a surge tech, a medical assistant, a criminologist, a biology tech, a range of things like that that are both 2-year and 4-year degrees. And then also we preach community service, that it's not a complete life unless you're involved in some way in your community. And it's the blend of those things that feed into our college mission statement, which is to synthesize faith with learning, to develop competence with compassion, and to prepare to use our gifts at the service of others.
I think that in our education we have a lot of classes that prepare us, such as the multicultural class. It prepares us for all different races, ethnicities, religions, things like that. And it also prepares us not only for the classroom, but for life in general, dealing with people on a day-to-day basis. We also have a technology and education class, which prepares us for the technology that we're going to see day-to-day in the classroom, as well as outside of the classroom in our day-to-day lives. But all of the courses that I've taken through the service and learning opportunity that the college provides for us have prepared me, because teaching truly is a service, and I feel like that's given me an open mind for service and what I want to do.
A setting that places great emphasis on lifelong commitment to values, Mount Aloysius is also a place that offers great value. With cost and accessibility reflecting major issues in higher education today, Mount Aloysius works hard to keep their tuition, housing, and fees among the lowest in the nation.
It's really critical, given our student population, that we provide an education that's at a reasonable cost. 94% of our kids, just to come here, need financial aid. 84% of our kids work at least a part-time job while they're a student here. 70% of our kids are first generation to college and all the special demands of that. 66% of our kids are eligible for Pell Grants, which are means-tested federal student aid. And more than 1 in 3 of our students come from families with an income under $36,000.
Mount Aloysius may be a school with its values planted firmly in the past, but it's also a school on the move. Meeting the demands of educating top-notch students who are prepared to succeed in today's world, Mount Aloysius is leading the way with a recently completed Health and Science Center, a new library learning commons, and the most up-to-date technology in its nursing division, truly making it an extraordinary time to be a student at Mount Aloysius.
Mount Aloysius is a college that for 100 years has produced graduates who are job ready, meaning they're ready to go to work the day they get out of this institution. And they're community ready, which means they're ready to play a role in whatever neighborhood or community in which they live, whether that's the Girl Scouts, the Boy Scouts, Little League, church, whatever it is. That's what we preach and what we teach here at the college. We're on the move with what we call our Mount Aloysius Compact. We want our kids not just to be job ready, not just to be community ready, we want them to be technology ready as well. Because we're not just training them for that first job. We know the way this economy works, and they're going to have to do more training, lifelong learning, in order to get the next job and even to keep moving in the first one that they have. So that's the Mount Aloysius Compact. Job ready, community ready, technology ready.
Mount Aloysius College. The horizon is just your starting line. To find out more, please visit www.mtaloy.edu or call 888-823-2220.